Hello again, students, and welcome to another lesson using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2022 on the server. In this lesson, we'll learn how to make a crayon pole, and I'll also apply a decal for you to show you how that's done. Without further ado, let's get going quickly. Navigate to your appropriate Google Classroom. And as is customary, in the instructions, you'll find the Cameo link to open up the Autodesk interface. Once you've arrived at the Start Working button, select it. Should expose an inner window that you want to close. And now in this case, I've opened up the crayon pole specs and I can see that it's 36 inches high. I can see the diameter is going to be 3 inches because the radius is 1.5. There's an outer left edge that's 30 inches. There's a little lip that's 0.15 inches, and there's a radius of 0.3 at the very top. Now I have that all committed to memory, so I return back, start a new standard IPT, create. Once you have this working area open, start a 2D sketch on the XY plane, the first line. And I would recommend zooming out 1, 2, 3 clicks, maybe 4 clicks with your mouse wheel. And now draw a line right on the Y-axis. That will serve as your axis for your crown pole. And as you're pulling straight down, take your hands off the mouse and just type 36 and enter. Now hit escape 3 times and roll out, use your pen tool to bring it up because you want to start at the bottom with your line tool. You're going to select the very bottom of this first segment, click and drag to the left, type in 1.5, enter, and use the line tool to go straight up. And as you move straight up and it's 90 degrees, you'll take your hands off the mouse and type 30, enter, and then again, use the pan tool, press in your mouse wheel, then press and move it down. And then you're going to make a little lip by going to the right, 0.15, enter. And now at this point, you want to hit escape 3 times again, boom, boom, boom. And then I move to the very top where I, again, select the line tool, select your central axis, click, drag your line segment to the left, 0.3 on the keyboard, and then enter. And then you want to just finish off your profile by selecting this other lines down here, click, and hit escape. Now you've done it. All you have to do is finish sketch and revolve. So you finish sketch, select the revolve tool. If you've done it right, it'll turn blue. Every line segment must be connected to the next. There can be no openings or it will not revolve. So since it's blue, I just select the central axis. You can see it turns green, click, and it revolves around. You can see the angle is 360 degrees, and then just click OK. Now at this point, I'm going to put the decal on. I've already saved a crayon decal, a crayon logo decal to apply to this crayon pole. It's going to wrap around it. So I put it in front view, let's say. And then I'm going to use the plane tool. That's how you apply the decal. Select the plane tool, go to the browser where it says origin, and on that folder, there's a little plus sign. You select the plus sign, click the XY plane, and then you're going to turn it using this turning cube. Click 90 degrees. There's a little yellow handle that you can click, press, and then pull it to the right, and then release and click the checkbox. Then you turn it back using this cube to front view. With that done, what you want to do is start a 2D sketch on that plane. It's like tracing paper. To activate it, you select the perimeter. That's the only way to do it. Select the perimeter line, click, and now it's active. You should get image button in the ribbon. Once you select that image, now you have to use this folder with the green arrow to navigate to your playground folder. And I'm looking for remote user, G drive, playground, all image files. It is not appearing. Let's try crayon pole decal. It was not appearing, but I see it now. I typed in crayon pole decal.png. You may have experienced this. So I select it, and there is my crayon pole decal. Click open. As you can see, it's very small. So I'm going to select off to the left, hit escape, and then use this corner, and you can scale it up and turn it vertically, and then move it into position. It looks a little too big, so you return to the upper right corner, scale it down a little smaller, maybe there. And I'm going to zoom in a couple clicks to see if it's about the right length. Appears to be just a bit large, so I can grab this corner, scale it down, make sure it stays vertical. And then once you have the proper length, you just pull it into this central position here. That's nice. You can see how it's positioned. You finish sketch. There's a decal tool that will become active in the ribbon up here. Select. And now it's simply a matter of selecting the center of your decal, click, and then center of your profile, click, and it should wrap to face, and click OK. And then you right click on the perimeter line of this plane, yet again, right click and turn the visibility off. And there you have a crayon pole. You can also make the wax of the crayon whatever color you like. I think I may just go to this default tool and pick how about a purple? Smooth purple. And I like that. So I'll select File, Save As. Make sure it's going into your playground folder. Don't forget to call it Crayon Pole, and then save. If you've been quite successful, such as I have, select File, Export, Image, and it should say Crayon Pole. Change the format to PNG and save it in the playground folder. Boop. That image should be in your playground folder and your recents folder. That's the one you want to turn in for assignment credit. Good luck with this one.